Come outdoors. Let's plant today. Look at all the plants. There are lots of different plants and flowers and trees. Look at the children. They're planting today. What are those? Seeds. Can you see the seeds? Look. What's that? It's soil. A plant needs soil. Can you see the soil? Look at the children planting the seeds in the soil. It's fun. Now look. What's that? Water. A plant needs water. Can you see the water? So, a plant needs soil and water. What else does a plant need? Look up. It's a sunny day. Oh yes, sun. A plant needs sun. A plant needs seeds, soil, water, and sun. There! Look at the plants. Wow!